Hi guys, so we've just checked in at our hotel and I can't really speak that loud because Zuli is sleeping. Just to let you know, I actually brought my diamond painting with me. And it's in this canister, which we got for $1.25 basically. And I feel like I have a samurai sword. But it fits a canvas up to, I guess, a 70 by 50. This is 70 by 50 cm, and it's a bit snug, but your diamonds will stay glued anyhow, and so this is how big this is. So it fit in that typical blueprint architecture tube, and I just rolled it up. So lifted this part, and I've done this much so far. And basically all the black parts that you see, the DMC code 310 that I've used, that is all the stuff that I've done so far while waiting at the airport and also while waiting on the plane, on the flight itself before we were to land. I mean, it's a 45-minute flight, but I still managed to bead in some diamonds while we were on the plane. And as somebody with ADHD, it's really, really helpful for me to not do destructive things when I know that I can't be doing anything and I have to sit still, which is normally to pick on my thumbs because I have to just move and fidget about. If I can't, I start attacking my thumbs, and that's why I have very, very ugly thumbs. There. People are always asking me, Mom, what happened to your thumbs? And it's difficult for me to explain what ADHD is. A lot of people don't know about that in the Philippines, and so I just say, oh, I don't know. I was born with it. That way they don't ask any more questions. But actually, it keeps me from fidgeting with my thumbs and picking at it by giving me something to do when I can't be moving about. So I am really liking how this is turning out. Look how shiny it is. I love black on diamond paintings. But yeah, this is what I did, and you just flip it back down when you're not working on it anymore. Just make sure that it's rolled nice and tight. And once again, since I haven't beaded a lot of the areas yet, I can roll it a little tighter. And with these canvases, so long as they're not folded, they're fine if they're rolled. So I just roll them up. And then you take the longer end of this and you slide that in, making sure that it doesn't expand, so we'll hold on to this part, and then simply seal it in place. And there you have it. Now you've got your diamond painting ready to go to be taken with you. And I have all my beads actually in this small pouch. So if I were to open it and show it to you, I'm using right now the pink ice cream drill pin. And of course it's in my diamond pouch where I have my tray and my wax. And then I just have here my beads. It's in Ziploc bags, and what I did is usually in the diamond paintings that you would have symbols that are either in letters, in numbers, or in wait, did I just say? Yeah, that's it. Letters, numbers, and symbols. So, like for example, you'll get like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, A, B, C, D, E, and then asterisk, exclamation mark, question mark, heart symbol, those things. So I just separated those three so it's easier for me to rummage through my pouch of beads by putting all of the symbols Like this is a plus, and there's got the asterisk in here. There's the $sign, all of the symbols in one Ziploc bag. I've got another Ziploc bag for just the numbers. So this has got numbers 1, 2, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So these are all the numbers. And then the rest are just for the letters. So when I know I'm looking for a symbol, then I go on the other pouch. When I go and I'm looking for a number, then I go on this Ziploc. And you can even label it symbols, letters, numbers, etc. So it's easier for you to find your beads. And once you have found them, then you just pour them onto your tray and you start beading, and you know, you seal it back. And then even if it's kind of, you know, shaken, you know that your beads aren't going to spill because you've got that resealable bag. So that's what I've been doing today, and here's snippets of what the island looks like so far. We actually haven't shown you yet the beach, so more to that in the next coming videos. Till then, bye! Alright, so we have just landed in Caticlan, and this is the new airport that we're in. And
There's a seat in front of you. Put your seat upright, fasten your seatbelt, secure tray tables, and keep your window shades open. Please switch off all electronic devices as these
That camera over there. Handle? Yeah, it holds the wheel. In that hole. In the name there, look over here.
Phones are not allowed during takeoff, landing, and
No,
taxiing.
look over
Until
here,
the
okay?
fasten seatbelt sign is switched off. Smoking is not permitted along your Asian flights. Thank you.